What's up guys, your Biglee here. I'm gonna teach you pull downs today. There are two variations of it. One, pull down to the front, and two, pull down to the back. Pull down to the back is considered banned and dangerous because it puts your rotator cuff in an awkward position. But hey, this is the position through which you can generate maximum contraction of your back muscles. And especially if you're a bodybuilder, this helps you visualize the back double biceps pose. But if you are a beginner or an intermediate who has less than a year of lifting experience, then stick on to the pull down to the front. And once your shoulders, your rotator cuff are strong enough to handle, then switch on to the back pull downs. Let me demonstrate both of them to you so that you can see how the muscles work. When you do the pull downs, take a wide grip. Make sure you're comfortably seated and your thighs are locked in the pads. Slightly arch your back, lift your chest up. Pull the weight all the way down, contract the muscles of your back, and then stretch it by slightly leaning forward. When I say slightly leaning forward, a lot of guys use momentum like this. That's just gonna defeat your purpose. A slight arch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch. If you bring the bar to your upper chest, you'll be able to generate maximum contraction of the back muscles. Now, if you want to do the pull downs to the back, sit in an upright position without the arch, slightly bend your neck forward, pull the weight straight to your neck, contract your muscles, and then up. This is going to simulate exactly your back double biceps pose, which makes this exercise super superior. Until I meet you in the next exercise, this is your Biglee, over and out.